Welcome to this quick demo on how New Relic simplifies the process of integrating AWS logs using our new CloudFormation template. Organizations today rely on AWS services for a variety of critical tasks. With the sheer volume of logging data generated across different AWS services, having a unified platform is key to maintaining system resilience and optimizing performance. In just a few minutes, you can bring your logs into New Relic's Intelligent Observability platform, ensuring you can gain deep insights into your applications and cloud infrastructure with minimal effort. We'll begin in the landing page for our infrastructure capability, where we can click on AWS and start the steps towards creating this integration. Note that you can also start the same journey from our Global Integrations and Agents link here in the upper left. After clicking the Setup Integration button, you're taken through a quick selection process. You can see that it's also possible to use this exact same workflow to build our metrics integration if you'd like. For today, we'll stick with logs, and then select the options for the CloudWatch integration using a Kinesis data firehose. There are a multitude of other options available, including using our AWS Lambda function to tail S3 buckets, or using it to grab logs from CloudWatch log groups. This opens up multiple options for you to find the pattern that works best for your own environment. What makes this workflow so powerful is how it automates the setup process, eliminating the manual configurations that can often introduce human error and delay. The template holds multiple parameters, including identifying the log groups in scope, choosing to export into the New Relic US or European endpoints, and adding optional attributes to logs at ingest. On the next page, you're given an option to create an ingest license key for this integration or to use a pre-existing key that you can provide. Launching the CloudFormation stack from the New Relic portal, you'll need to enter the license key here. After a quick review of the options, including the default method of securing your license key in AWS Secrets Manager, you'll acknowledge the changes the CloudFormation template will make to your account and click Create Stack. This begins the AWS provisioning of resources using the template to configure everything from IAM roles to the data streams required for log collection. Once the CloudFormation stack is deployed, it will automatically collect new logs from the target log groups, which you can easily find back in the New Relic UI by finishing the install path, which directs you into our logs capability. Within moments, you'll start seeing your AWS logs appearing in New Relic. This real-time visibility is crucial for improving digital experiences by allowing you to monitor and troubleshoot performance issues instantly. Filtering my logs down to the AWS integration, I can already see some data from a test Lambda function I've been developing. Unfortunately, my logs are full of errors, and it seems that I have an import module error from my Python code. With a single click, I can use the New Relic AI Assistant to give me insights on this error, which is based on my use of the requests module in my code, and the various solutions like updating my deployment package for AWS, or using a Lambda layer to provide my code access to this library. Whether it's handling peak traffic loads, identifying security vulnerabilities, or diagnosing issues with speed and efficiency, New Relic's Intelligent Observability platform enables developers and op practitioners to spend less time firefighting and more time driving innovation. In summary, New Relic's new AWS onboarding with the CloudFormation template is not just about ease of integration. It's about empowering your organization with comprehensive observability to drive resilience, efficiency, and growth. With this setup, you're well on your way to modernizing your applications and enhancing the overall digital experiences your customers rely on.